Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you the basic settings of your DYNEO circulators. All display functions are easy to operate with a central rotary knob. The device is conveniently switched on and off via the main switch. At startup, all display elements light up briefly while the software boots. You can simply change the set point by selecting the set point field. Press the rotary knob to confirm. To finally start your temperature control process, choose the Start and Stop button on the top. Let's have a look at the DYNEO menu. Here you can choose the submenu Settings. First, you can select your desired language. 10 different languages are available. For our example now, we'll stay with English. Of course, date and time can also be adjusted as well as the format. Auto Start allows you to directly start with the temperature control process via the mains power switch. The DYNEO will automatically work with the last used settings. Pro tip: you can also use a timer that simply regulates the power supply. To do this, the main switch of the device must remain activated. Furthermore, you can change the measurement units. For example, temperature from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, pressure from bar to psi, or you can choose the flow rate in liters per minute or gallon per minute. To get acoustic feedback, you can set keytones. Back on the home screen, you can switch between 3 different views. That's it. Please note, when the remote control mode is activated, direct operation of your DYNEO on the device is not possible. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.